Hello student, I am Mrs. Harsha Zope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayindar. Today we are going to study Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. How to implement it in our C language. Okay, already we have studied this algorithm in our theoretical part. Before watching this video, all of you must go through that particular algorithm. Then you will come to know how to implement it. Then next you will study that particular algorithm. Okay, then here see that we have taken the header file. We have taken the header files conio.h, studio.h, graphics.h and math.h. Then you can see we have taken the void main function. Inside that void main function we have created two array A of 4 and B of 4. Okay. Then we have created float type variable m, x new and y new. X new and y new, these are our new variable of a particular line after clipping. Then m is our slope which we will calculate after. Then next we have declared float type variable x1 equals 200, xl equals 200, yl equals 200, xh equals to 300, yh equals to 300. These 4 points xl, yl, xh, yh, these are the points of a clipping window. This will be our clipping window 100, 100, 300 and 300. By taking the clipping window, we have taken the line coordinates xa, ya, xb and yb. That are the coordinates of a point A, xa, ya, and these are the coordinates of point B. The next, as usual, what we are doing in your C computer graphics code, we have declared GD equals to detect and GM. After that, we have taken the init graph function and the next we have set color 5. Okay. The next we are using a line function, line xa, ya, xb, yb. Here that particular line will be set with the set color function. It will get a particular color. The next we can see that here we have created a particular line to be clipped and we apply a particular color. And the next here we are creating a particular rectangle in bracket xl, yl, xh, yh. The coordinates of this particular rectangle are provided above and this rectangle will having color, the set color 12. The next we are calculating the value of slope, that is the value of m equals to yb minus ya divided by xb minus xa. Then next we are comparing the value of xa with xl, xa with xa. These are the outputs. If xa less than xl, then a of 3 will be stored 1, else in a of 3 it will stored 0. If xa greater than xh, then a of 2 it will be 1, else a of 2 it will be 0. Here what we are doing, we are just placing the outputs. Okay. The next you can see that if ya less than yl, then a of 1 it will store 1, else a of 1 it will store 0. The next, if ya greater than yh, then a of 0 it will store 1, else a of 0 it will store 0. The next is if xb less than xl, then b of 3 it will store 1, else b of 3 it will store 0. This ya, yl and this yh, yxb, these are the value which already we have declared in our main integer in our data section. Then here you can see that we have compared ya with yl, ya with yh, xb and then yb, then all these particular windows coordinates are compared, and the values of A0, A1, A2, A3, B0, B1, B2, like that it will be got. Okay, if it is 0 or 1, it we have find out by using the if loop. Okay, then after getting the value of this A0, A1, A2 and that's all, we are using this particular printf statement. Printf, press a key to continue. Then next we are using a getch function to hold our output. Then next you can see that we are using a if loop. Here we are using the relational operator double equals to and ampersand, double ampersand, that is the logical operator. If a of 0 equals to 0, a of 1 equals to 0 and a of 2 equals to 0, a of 3 equals to 0 and a of 3 equals to 0, b of 0 equals to 0, b of 1 equals to 0, b of 2 equals to 0 and b of 3 equals to 0. If all these condition will satisfy, means if all will be 0, then you will show output no clipping. Okay, and the particular line will be drawn. And if this loop will be false, then else if loop will be executed. In else if loop, we have applied this particular condition. Okay, and if that condition will true, then your line will be discarded and a particular rectangle will be drawn. Then the next will be our main part, that a particular line will be clipped. This else part will be executed. Before this else part, it will check the two parts. A line is outside the window, then it will be discarded. This else part, it will check the intersection point of a particular line with the clipping window. Okay, and according to that, a particular output will be shown. If a of 3 equals to 1 and b of 3 equals to 0, then y new will be calculated. It will use this particular formula and it will give a new color for a rectangle. Rectangle is your particular window, and then next it will show the particular line which is clipped. Then it will give new color that particular line, and the next new coordinates y new it will be find. XL will be same because it is not intersecting with a window, and only y new will be find out, and new line after clipping will be drawn. Okay, then next all the conditions will be checked. What the condition will be? A particular line is intersecting at 2 points to the window, then there will be new code. A particular line will be intersecting at only one side of a clipping window, then there will be another code, and according to that it will execute and output will be shown. Then these are the particular topics or points that will be considered whether the line is intersecting at two edges of a clipping window or only at one edge of a clipping window. Next we will see execution part of that particular program. Then just see. Here, this is our particular clipping window and this is our line to be clipped. You can see that a single line, single edge, a line is intersecting at a single edge, and after clipping this will be a outer line clipping algorithm in C. Thank you for watching this video.